Hello students, welcome in e-learning class of St. Michael's Academy. Students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss cube roots of unity. Students, cube roots of unity is not in your syllabus, but we will discuss about it. Why? Because it's very important for future. It's important to solve questions, and generally question based on cube roots of unity comes in examination of triple E, JEE and advanced and mains. It's very important for engineering also. So let us discuss. First of all, students, we will find roots of quadratic equation like x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Thereafter, we will find cube roots of unity. Now, it's very easy. We have discussed about this type of quadratic equations and we can easily find out the roots of this quadratic equation. Now, to find the roots of this quadratic equation, first of all, we need coefficients a, b and c. Here, a is multiple of x square, which is equals to 1. B is multiple of x, which is equals to 1, and C is constant term, which is equals to 1. Now, for roots of this quadratic equation, we use the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we will put the values here. B is equals to 1. So minus 1 plus minus under root square of 1 minus 4 into a is 1. So 1, c is equals to 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 because a is 1. Now minus 1 plus minus under root square of 1 is 1 and minus 4 into 1 equals to 4 upon 2. And this is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 upon 2. And we can write this as minus 1 plus minus I under root 3 upon 2. We can write under root minus 3 is equals to I under root 3. Why? Because under root 3 into under root minus 1. Under root minus 3 equals to under root 3 into under root minus 1, and under root minus 1 equals to I. So we can write I under root 3. Now here two values are there. One is minus 1. First of all, we will take positive. Minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2 and minus 1 minus I under root 3 by 2. Let alpha equals to minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2 and beta equals to minus 1 minus I under root 3 by 2. We can also say this one omega. This is omega and this is omega square. We say minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2 omega and minus 1 minus I under root 3 by 2 equals to omega square. Students, omega square is square of omega, means alpha is square of beta or beta is equals to square of alpha. Let us describe. Let us find first of all alpha square. How we can see this one is square of this one and this one is square of this one. Means we can see this one as omega square or this one omega. Let us find out First of all, alpha square. Minus 1 plus I under root 3 upon 2 whole square. Square of 2 is 4 and square of minus 1 plus I under root 3 equals to a square is 1, b square, I square 3 in plus 2ab. 2 into a is minus 1 and b is I under root 3. This will be equals to 1. I square is minus 1, so minus 3 and minus 2 I under root 3 upon 4, and this is equals to 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2 minus I 2 under root 3 upon 4, and we students here we will take common 2, and this is equals to minus 2 1 plus I under root 3 upon 4. 2 2 ja 4. 4 will be cancelled out by 2, and this is equals to minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2, and minus 1 minus I under root 3 by 2, and this is equals to beta. Means alpha square equals to beta. Alpha square equals to beta, and we supposed alpha as omega and beta as omega square. Square of omega is equals to omega square. So in this way we can see square of alpha is equals to beta. So if this one is omega, so this one is omega square. If this is omega, then we can see this is omega square, because this is square of this. Means beta is square of alpha. Beta is square of alpha. Here we have proved alpha square equals to beta. Now let us find out cube roots of unity. Students, we have already discussed quadratic equation and its roots. Now we are going to discuss cubic equations. Cubic equations. Suppose we have a cubic equation x cube minus 1 equals to 0, where maximum power of variable is 3. So this is cubic equation, and x cube minus 1 equals to 0, and now we have to find out roots of this cubic equation. To find out the roots of this cubic equation, first of all we will use a formula aq minus bq. aq minus bq equals to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. You already know about this formula, students. aq minus bq equals to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Now we will use this formula here, because we can write this cubic equation as x cube minus cube of 1 equals to 0. Now here a is equals to x and b is equals to 1. So we can use formula. Now x minus 1 into x square plus 1 square plus a into b means x into 1 equals to 0. Now x minus 1 x square plus 1 plus x equals to 0. Now we can write x minus 1 x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Students, here either x minus 1 equals to 0 or x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. When x minus 1 equals to 0, then x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1. Means one root of this cubic equation is 1. Now we have to find out other two roots. Students, when x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0, then values of x means root of this quadratic equation we have find out, that is omega and omega square, means alpha and beta. So roots of this quadratic equation is omega and omega square, that is x equals to minus 1 plus minus I under root 3 upon 2, where omega is equals to minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2 and omega square is equals to minus 1 minus I under root 3 upon 2. And these are x is equal to 1 minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I under root 3 by 2 are three roots of this cubic equation, and these roots are called cube roots of unity. Means cube roots of unity are 1 omega and omega square. Cube roots of unity are 1 omega and omega square. And there is a relation between these roots, that is 1 plus omega square equals to 0. 1 plus omega square equals to 0. How? Let us prove. 1 plus omega is minus 1 plus I under root 3 by 2 plus omega square is minus 1 minus I under root 3 by 2. We can write 1. Let us take LCM 2 and then we can solve. This is 2 minus 1 plus I under root 3 minus 1 minus I under root 3. I under root 3 and minus I under root 3 will cancel out, and minus here 2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 upon 2. Minus 2 minus 2 equals 2 minus 2 equals to 0 upon 2 equals to 0. It means that 1 plus omega square equals to 0. 1 plus omega square equals to 0, we can say. Now we have proved. Now one thing is rest, that is omega cube. Omega cube equals to 1. Omega cube equals to 1. How omega cube equals to 1? Let us find out. Omega cube equals to omega square into omega. Now omega square is minus 1 minus I under root 3 upon 2, and omega is minus 1 plus I under root 3 upon 2. And let us multiply. 2 into 2 equals to 4. Now minus 1 minus I under root 3 into minus 1 plus I under root 3. Now we will take common minus. This will be 1 plus I under root 3, and this will be also we will take common minus from here, and this will be minus minus plus, and this will be 1 minus I under root 3 upon 4. And we will use formula a plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. This will be equals to square of 1 minus square of I under root 3. Square of I under root 3 upon 4. Square of 1 is equals to 1, and square of I minus 1 and square of 103 3 means plus 3 by 4, and 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 4 equals to 1. So we can see omega q equals to 1. These are two things we should remember always. And this one also. I hope students you are understanding. If there will be any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Thanks.